Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup bubble data tables with API scripts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Bubble account and navigate to the application you want to backup. Next, ensure that your data tables are properly configured. Open the API section in Bubble by going to Settings and selecting the API tab. Enable the API if it is not already activated. Create a new API endpoint specifically for data export. Define the data types you want to backup within your API endpoint settings. Select the option for returning a list of things. Next, choose the fields you want to include in your backup. Once you've set up your API endpoint, note the API URL for future reference. Open your preferred coding environment or API testing tool, such as Postman. Create a new request and set it to the GET method. Paste the API URL you noted earlier into the request URL field. Add an authentication header if necessary, using your API key. Send the request to fetch your data. Review the response to ensure all your data tables are included. Now, copy the data from the response. You can choose to format this data as JSON or CSV for easier handling. Open a text editor or spreadsheet application to paste your data. Save your file with a clear name indicating the backup and its date. For added safety, repeat this process regularly to keep your data up to date. If you see any errors, double-check your API settings and endpoints. Consider automating this process with scripts for future backups. You have successfully backed up your Bubble data tables using API scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.